Hi, my name is Cullum, and welcome to the Explore Nashville series, featuring Narrows of the Harpeth and Newsom's Mill. Presented by Built to Venture. Today's locations take us approximately 40 minutes west of downtown Nashville and make a great option for anyone wanting an easy, laid-back outing comprised of beautiful scenery. It's worthwhile visiting both places in a single trip. Including travel time, we spent approximately 3.5 to 4 hours on this outing, and that was at a very leisurely pace. In summer, pack a cooler, a few floats, and spend some time relaxing in the cool water. Or better yet, rent a canoe and spend the day on the river. Alright, we made it to our first stop, Narrows of the Harpeth. You guys haven't been here, it's an awesome place. This is a state park, therefore the typical rules do apply. And as always, please do your best to leave it better than you found it. Curious as to why the name Narrows of the Harpeth? Here's a bird's eye view. At this point, the Harpeth makes a big 5-mile U-turn, and at the tightest point shown here, only separated by the narrow bluff. Notice the tunnel going through the bluff. This is Montgomery Bell Tunnel. Built in 1819, the 290-foot-long tunnel is believed to be the first full-size tunnel built in the United States. Also, the first used to divert water for industrial purposes.
Nothing. Are you back there?
There are 3 parts to the Narrows of the Harpeth. This is the first, a nice pathway to the front side of the tunnel. The water is high.
Water is wet.
So when you go kayak, one of your pullouts is over here, or the longer route, you keep going all the way around, and this makes a U around this peninsula, and you actually come out just on the other side. Huh. See how high up it came. Oh, it's muddy. We're not going to be able to see in there. Gonna have to get your feet wet. Yeah, so you usually you can walk in here and the water's, I mean, really not even like flowing into it. This is almost just like a floodgate, so to say. And it sounds like it's unblocked, but there used to be a massive tree blocking the middle of the tunnel. So you're not supposed to walk through there. So don't ask me how I know that. There's a big tree halfway through. It's muddy. Hold on. Golly, Ems, you got 4-wheel drive, baby girl. Next, we're heading to part 2 of the Narrows, the backside. It's an easy hike over the bluff. Sorry I didn't capture any video footage of it. So this is that one unload spot. You launch or unload all the way from down there, drag it up, and you come out. Just listen to the peace and quiet. And the beautiful sound of chacos.
Right.
So this is the backside. You have some private land. This is actually usually pretty shallow in summertime. The river's really high right now. It's just nice and quiet. There's so many people out today. So it's usually not this high. Usually it's almost a trickle in peak summer. And this is sort of like a smaller pond, but nothing crazy. The water's just really high from all the rain. Emma, right? I got a supervisee. And so this is where we go up to the top for the bluff overlook. Get a full view of the sun. Stairs are freshly done. Gosh, there's all these pretty scenic overlooks, but you don't want to go down there unless you want to end up on someone's windshield. But I mean, look at that view. How nice would it be to have a house out there? Back in the day, simple life. Hard life, but simple life. Yeah, so you just keep climbing as you go up this bluff. I mean, it's an easy hike. The view just keeps getting better and better. Oh, we can drive the truck up this, no big deal.
100.
Yeah.
Got it. Wow.
Woo! Ems, what do you think? Getting high. Not 420 high either.
No.
Emma's starting to get a little panic. She's like, this is getting, it's just getting sketchy. And they're getting sketchy.
It's high for the girl. Look up here. Girl, not look high.
Private property, no trespassing. Rude. And that was it. It's a quick little hike, but beautiful.
Yeah. Great view.
Easy. It is pretty busy today because it is President's Day. Didn't even think about that. Didn't realize that many people had President's Day off. But
Props
anyway.
to everybody for getting out and exploring.
Yeah. Take care of the place. Otherwise, you don't get it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Come out and check it out for yourself, especially in summertime. Okay, so Narrows of the Harpeth done. Next stop is Newsom's Mill. And stop after that is Neighbors, I think. Sylvan Park. What do you think?
Sounds good.
Go have a nice beer on a beautiful evening. Take the dog on the porch. So Newsom's Mill is pretty cool. It's an old, I guess, abandoned mill, so to say. Here's the mill. What do you think, Em? The mill is situated on the Harpeth River in Bellevue and well past its working days. It was originally constructed in 1862 by Joseph M. Newsom. The Newsoms were a large family comprised of millers, millwrights, and farmers. Throughout the generations, they built and operated many mills in the area, as well as stone quarries. Although the mill is not much to see these days, it is still well worth a quick pit stop. Okay, here we are.
Where are we, Colum?
Newsom's Mill, baby. I had a nice double chin. All right. So FYI, it's actually a pretty good fishing spot. If you can wade up here, it gets pretty deep. It's also a pretty good fishing spot down below. Yeah, Emma's leading the way. So guys, look. Guys.
Oh wow. Cool.
Wow, why did it? Oh, I guess that window down there is open. Ooh, it's getting chilly.
Yeah.
Crazy, huh? Pretty cool.
Down there.
Pretty cool, we can.
It's even chillier down here.
Wow. Of course, people throwing trash. It's pretty cool. What did it say? Yeah. Well, that does answer the question. When I asked if I wonder if they actually close the gates at night.
Yeah.
And I guess they do. The ranger just pulls up on your intercom saying, please return to your vehicle, the park's closing. So, guess we'll do that. It was another day for the books. Our next stop, a refreshing cold one. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and just maybe we have inspired you to take a trip of your own. If you haven't already, hit the like button below, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next venture. As always, do what you love, never stop living.